Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I am in this wonderful Dollar Tree train collab that Miss Jackie Russell does every so often for different holidays and things like that. And it's just been lots of fun. I've been in a few of them and we have a good list of channels this time. We always have a fabulous list of channels. Some ladies can make it and some ladies can't. So then, you know, we sort of, Jackie sort of swaps around with people depending on people's schedules. So this collab, I'm going to name everybody in this collab, but sometimes somebody might have to drop out. So there will be a playlist below that you can follow. And a couple of things you need to know about this collab. You have to be subscribed to all channels and publicly subscribed to all channels, and you have to comment on every video. There are 13 channels. You have to comment on every channel's video, so you might as well enter all of the giveaways. There's one giveaway per this series, so there will be 13 separate winners because there are 13 channels. Okay, I hope that makes any sense. If you have any questions at all, please ask me. All of my rules are in the description. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. Okay, so all of my, because that takes up a lot of time to talk about it, so I have them in the description. Who is in this collab is Miss Jackie Russell. Thank you so much, Miss Jackie Russell, for inviting me to this collab. I really have a lot of fun. Y'all subscribers really enjoy this. I have a lot of fun watching everybody's videos and seeing what we got at the Dollar Tree. There's Tracy and Chloe unboxing beauty and more. And Tracy does all of our artwork. She does our ads and our thumbnails. So thank you so much, Tracy. She does a fantastic job with that. There's Faye Blatcher. There's Katie's Corner of the World. Single Mom Review, which is Sherry. Reviews with Sue. There's Favorites with Laura and Lori's Life. And Laura Wooten. Laura Wooten has 2 different channels. And in the playlist, we'll have the appropriate channel that she's using for this collab. There also is All Things Arlene, and Arlene has changed her channel name. You probably know that by now, but if you don't, it was Unboxings with Arlene. It is called All Things Arlene, and again, she'll be in the playlist, so you'll be able to find her. And then we have a couple of new people. I'm so excited. We have Erin from Hey Everybody. She's joining us, and we have Pat from Blessed GMP. She's joining us. I'm super excited because I love all of these ladies. Their channels are great. So you'll want to be subscribed to everybody, which means you have to watch a video at least and then subscribe. And then since you're watching the collab videos, go ahead and comment. You have to comment if you want to be considered for the giveaways, and comment and then subscribe, because hopefully then YouTube will let you stay subscribed. So while you're waiting the 2 weeks for this collab to be over with, go back once in a while to make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube does knock people off. I have cats, by the way. I have 3 cats, so sometimes they come up and visit. And of course, I'm in this collab as well. So let me show you what I live in a very small town. The Dollar Tree that I have is $1.25 for their items. I don't have any of the more expensive items that some of the Dollar Trees have. So there is a bigger Dollar Tree in the town I work in, but I hardly ever get to that one. So let me show you what I got for $1.25 each of my items. I did get one on sale for $1. I'll show you that in a minute. Of course, we start off with, I love to decorate. So this is my board. I actually have another one that I got up there. This is Hop On In, it says. Bunny, hop on in. These are pressed board, and they're just decorated nicely, glitter and things like that. And they just have so many to choose from. I will tell you, my Dollar Tree had very limited amounts of Easter items. So mostly what I got is spring items. But this is super cute, and I'm gonna hang it up and I'll be right back. I'm all set for Easter now, okay? So they have, you know, the Dollar Tree. If you don't have a Dollar Tree by you, or if you've never gone, hopefully you do. They're pretty much all across the country, and it's nice to see what everybody gets from the different videos, from the different areas of the country. So they have a wonderful crafting area. So I got this sign because I love bees, and I just think it's really nice. It's wood. It's just a pressed wood, and it's a bee, and it says kind, be kind. And I like it just the way it is, but you can take something like this and decorate it. You know, paint it, or you know, bedazzle it, or do what you want to do with crafting. It's a wonderful place to find craft items, great for the children. And then they also had this beautiful item, the cross, and again, you can decorate this or not. And this is, Crafters Square is the brand. It's an LED cross wood light. There's the tag there. And it has in the back, see if you can see, there is a little light in there. You pull the tab and then turn it on. And, well, hopefully it'll turn on. Sometimes you do get a dud. I don't see how to, it's not turning on. Oh, there it goes. I can't get it to, well, it was on for 1 second, y'all. I think it's a bad light in there. Oh, well, it's trying to come on. I'll play with it. But anyway, it lights up. There it is. It lights up for Easter. I thought that was very nice. And let me try to turn it off. Okay, spend too much time on it. All right. So like I said, my Dollar Tree was very slim pickings on Easter items, so I got more spring. We also asked that you, just for fun, rate my video from 1 to 10, what you think of the items that I chose. You know, if you like everything at 10, you know, like that. So they had this wonderful terracotta mushroom. I love this kind of thing to put out in my yard. I love to do a little decorating. I have some steps up to the house. I like to put things on, and this can take the weather. It's a terracotta, like I said, or stone of some sort. Maybe cement, I'm not really sure. But I thought it was cute. It's a mushroom. And again, if you want to, you can decorate this. They have a lot of gnomes and a lot of little things that you could do to make a little gnome kind of village if you wanted to. I thought that was cute. They had this beautiful box. Again, just $1.25 for this box. They had different sizes and shapes. And isn't that pretty? And then it is pink inside. So you can put an Easter gift in here, or a birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, you know, anything that's coming up, graduation gift can go in there, be nice. Nice for storage, nice for pretty things. We have a lot of garden. They do have a lot of garden items at my Dollar General, which I like. These are nice. I always like to get the gloves there because the garden gloves get damaged easily, but you know, so for $1.25 is all I'm paying. And these are, they are nice and stretchy, so even my bigger hands fit in them nicely. And it's rubberized on this side, so you easy grip, and it won't, you know, you can change out pots of dirt and stuff and not get dirty. Like I can keep my nails okay. And they just had cute patterns. I love the lemon pattern. And this was very spring-like to me. Life is a beautiful ride. They have different towels there. They have the terry towels, which is what I like. And then they also have those, I forgot what it's called. They're the different fabric, I forget. I like the cotton terry. Life is a beautiful ride. I thought that's very springy with the bike and the flowers. Very cute. Okay, Camille. And this I found in the makeup section, the makeup sponge set. And it's an ice cream, and it is a cone. This is a, can you see that it's a makeup sponge? And these are both makeup sponges, 2 different ones, and it makes up an ice cream. Sorry, Camille got in my train of thoughts there. And as a creator, or actually anybody could use this kind of thing, I got some thank you cards. These were very spring-like. Thanks so much, it says. And they're a Hallmark, and they're plain inside. And this is a package of 8. And the newer packages are packages of 6. And this being the package of 8 actually was just $1 instead of $1.25 because it's still the old price from before they changed prices. When they changed to the $1.25, these packages mostly went to 6 cards instead of 8. And then I have only a couple more things left, y'all. I thought this was so cute. This was in the craft area. This is Special Moments Memories Collection, and it is flower table decor. So I did get it, started to get it open because of the crinkling, and this is acrylic, I'd say, and you can peel that off. It's a nice green, and then this is again, you peel this off. See how that, so that it's not scratched up, and it's green and pretty, and it sets in here. It'll snap in, and I'll have to peel that off still. And then it's a pretty flower base to put on your table or anything. And on the back are these clips. So you can clip a couple of photographs, maybe your grandkids, your children, you and your hubby, your significant other, just you, just the cats, whatever you'd like to do. And it's a nice little table decor. I thought that was adorable. And then my last item, y'all, I wanted to show y'all this. I just heard about this recently. The brand Brims are the snacks. It is Brimhall Foods Company. They are out of Bartlett, Tennessee. And this is cheese popcorn, not necessarily a spring thing. They have all different kinds of snacks. They have chips. They have, you know, the Cheetos kind of things, all those kinds of things. On this package, this company is dedicated to our Lord Jesus Christ, which is all about Easter for me. And on the back of every package, they have a Bible verse, which I did not know. I've been buying these snacks for a long time. I didn't know there were Bible verses on them. This one is Isaiah 40:31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall walk and not faint. I love when a company isn't afraid to show their faith. So Brims, that's the name there. And those are my 10 items. What did y'all think? I hope that you enjoyed this video. I think that this series is just so much fun, y'all. So thanks for stopping by to see my channel. And I hope that you'll like it enough to stay. And y'all check out the other videos. Again, there'll be a playlist below, so please check that out. And you have 2 weeks to go ahead and enter all of the giveaways. That gives you time to watch everything and get your comments in and enter. And subscribe to everybody. And y'all take care and count your blessings. I'll have the dates below for when this ends, and I'll have the playlist. Bye-bye, y'all. Take care. Count your blessings.